Hey everyone! As you probably know, it's almost Mother's Day. Or maybe you didn't know that and, like me, it snuck up on you and you realize you don't have anything to give your mom. And she is amazing. Moms are amazing and they do wonderful things every single day. Shout out to my own mom, who is literally the best. And not to offend your mom, I'm sure she's a wonderful lady, but the best. Yeah, sure, you could run to the store and get the last cheesy mass-produced Mother's Day card on the shelf with a picture of a watering can on it. Or you can join me today in making a card that is unique and fun for your mom this Mother's Day, using things that you probably have laying around your house. A waterfall card with a secret message. How cool is that? And all you need is cardstock, some colored paper or white paper that you've colored with crayons or colored pencils, scissors, a pencil, glue stick, and a ruler. So gather up that stuff and let's make a card for your mom that's as awesome as she is.